Welcome back to the Print 3D channel. Today is February 24th, and that means day 55 of the 3DP 365 project. And on today's episode, we're going to show you how we printed out this cute little smiling owl, so stick around. Welcome back, and thank you for joining me here for day 55 of the 3DP 365 project. If you're unfamiliar with the project, check out the description below. I put a fact section down at the bottom that'll give you all the details. And don't forget to check out that MatterHackers affiliate link. If you're looking to purchase a printer, some new filament, or even some printer parts, if you click on that link, it kicks a little bit back to the channel and we really appreciate it. But for today's episode, we printed out this cute little smiling owl. And for this print, we use MatterHackers PRO PLA in the color of orange on our all-new gMax 1.5 XT+. As I continue to print small things until my new BL Touch arrives, I was browsing around the new items up on Thingiverse and I came across this smiling owl pot. And this guy is really cool and it's a really well-detailed model, and I thought it would be perfect for a small print. And the print turned out amazing, and I can't wait to show you the results. So let's head over to Thingiverse and I'll show you where to download the model. Then we'll tab over to Simplify 3D and I'll show you my settings for this print. Then we'll fire up some of that time-lapse footage and I'll meet you guys back here at the workbench and we'll talk about the print. Alright, so here we are at Thingiverse. Here is the Smiling Owl Pot by Sammy828. And I'll put the link down in the description so you can download and print this one yourself. And this is a very, very cool little object. It's actually pretty new. It was published on February 21st, and it's been collected a few times, and we do have one single make. And of course, we've already printed ours, so let's tab over to Simplify 3D, and I'll show you my settings for this print. Alright, so here we are in Simplify 3D, and I've dropped the model down on the print bed, and I'm shrinking him down to 50% of original size, because we're sticking with small prints until our new BL Touch arrives. So let me show you my process settings. Under layer height, we did a 0.16mm layer height with 3 top and 3 bottom solid layers and 3 perimeters. We also ran a skirt at 8mm from the object at 4 outlines. We used 15% infill on this little model, and we generated 0 support. For temperature, this is MatterHackers PRO PLA, so my temperatures are 207 and 209. And we have our 3-stage cooling system set up. And under speed, we ran this out at 50mm per second. So let's hit OK. And let's hit prepare to print and I'll show you how it's sliced. And this is a quick little slice, and let's play this through. And this is a very, very cool little print. And ours turned out pretty spectacular, and I'm anxious to show you the results. So let's fire up some of that time-lapse footage and I'll meet you guys back over at the workbench. Alright, so that was a cool little bit of time-lapse footage, and here is the Smiling Owl Pot. And I'll put some close-ups in at the end like I always do. But this guy turned out phenomenal. And even though we printed him at 50%, the gMax really did an amazing job of picking up all this detail. And we did print this at 0.16mm layer height, so it is going to catch a lot of that detail. But this guy looks amazing. I can't even find the seam on here anywhere. It looks so good. All the detail is there. Every little nuance of the sculpture that this modeler did is all here. Everything looks amazing. And that MatterHackers PRO PLA in the color of orange looks absolutely fabulous on this little owl. I can't find anything wrong with this print. It kind of looks injection molded. Had I not 3D printed it, I wouldn't know it was 3D printed. Well, that about wraps it up for day 55 of the 3DP 365 project. I hope you found this episode interesting. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share those videos, and join me again tomorrow on the very next episode of the 3DP 365 project. I am super impressed with my gMax print quality. This has no bed leveling and it turned out perfect.